Hey guys, I wanted to do an updated video just showing you what I've been up to. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to let you guys see my salon studio. So pretty much I just bought a house and I have my salon studio in my house. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I will be making more videos soon. Disregard my mouth moving in the video. I did take all the audio off, and so I am actually just doing a voiceover video for you guys. So I am super excited about this space. This is a portable shampoo bowl. I will link the information below. I really like this bowl, guys. It comes in handy with all of my clients. I wanted to keep this space very simple. I wanted to give a luxury vibe, at the same time simplicity. So I went with all white with gold and rose or blush, whatever you like to call it. This is a custom price list I got made, which I super love. My clients can look at my prices without always having to ask me. Also, I got the custom Jen hair design sign, which also is one of my faves in the room. Went with a basic black chair. I also sell lashes from my lash line, Honora Lux Collection. .com if you're interested in purchasing hair as well as lashes. So this is, like I said, pretty much my setup of how I have my salon studio set up. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tour. If you guys want a detailed tour, I will be able to provide that for you. But I did just want to come up on here and just give you guys an updated video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day.